Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. Financial market gets bored holding on to the same theme every day. Yesterday in the morning it was risk off, aaj it is risk on. Why is it risk on? Very simple. Last evening or last night our Indian time, the hopes went up because the comments from the Republicans and the Democrats seem to suggest that US में जो debt ceiling के लिए जो drama चल रहा है, that may come to an end by the end of this week. Again, these are politicians talking, and US politicians, and a pre-election year, because next year November elections है. So it is not done until it is done. But still, the hopes are, today at least the hopes are high that because they have said, it seems a deal might be struck by end of this week. If it doesn't happen, then next week say we can again see the nervousness to be back in the financial market. But at least for today and hopefully tomorrow, that we might see this kind of a risk on mood sustain. So what is in store for the Indian rupee? Now ideally this should be positive for the rupee because dollar index भी थोड़ा सा हल्का सा it has depreciated, not significantly. And the Chinese currency is largely trading flat. Asian currencies are largely flat against the dollar. So USD INR 82.36, 37 के आसपास है spot. Now 82.45, 82.50 spot में is going to be a major resistance. And if you see last 5-6 हफ्ते से, the average daily range, मतलब high low का जो difference है, it has been around 17 to 18 paisa. So it's not much, right? इसके लिए the implied volatility or option premiums are so low. So उस हिसाब से, let's say it opens around 82.35, then you can carve out a range 82.25 on the down and 82.45 on the up. This could be the range. So जो भी opening है, plus minus 10-12 paisa, has been the general volatility. So if you're looking to scalp, what you can do is pull back, you buy 10 paisa down from the open, 10-12 paisa, and a rally of 10-12, maybe 13-14 paisa from the open, you sell. But again, remember when you are scalping, you cannot trade without a stop loss. You got to have a stop loss because हो ही सकता है एक particular day that pattern might break, and it has happened. Even in the last 6 weeks, it's not that every day it has been within 18 paisa. इसके लिए वो average है, which means there have been days when it has gone above that. Even we have seen a move of 35 paisa intraday. So we got to have a stop. So scalpers के लिए, this is how they can trade. 10-15 paisa move on either direction, then you can start building opposite trade, but with adequate stop losses. Very, very important. Positional traders के लिए, there is not much in the market unless you basically build a position taking a view that you are bearish or bullish. आपको अगर ऐसा position build करना है, that you want to basically wait with a position, then what you can do is you can look at a butterfly. Because butterfly में advantage क्या है? You don't pay much of a premium upfront. It's much cheaper than a call spread or a put spread. And you can hold it till expiry. So it's a limited loss trade. So these are trades which can be done butterfly on the bullish side or butterfly on the bearish side. These are positional trades in a range bound market when you're anticipating a big move and you're taking a position. You can do a butterfly by using the June end contracts. That can be done. Now technically 82.10 is a major support. जैसे 82.50 के आसपास is a major resistance on the spot. 82.10 के नीचे it is 81.90, 95 as the next place of support. But यहाँ पे it has spent इतना time and because of low volatility. So no support and no resistance is significant. It's just that the market, after running, as I said, 15 to 20 paisa in one particular direction, it is getting exhausted because उसके बाद there is not enough momentum, speculative momentum to carry it forward. Now for options sellers, you have to manage your positions well, because क्या हो रहा है कि there is a drift. अभी तक there has been upward drift. 81-70 वाला धीरे धीरे 82-40 तक आ गया. 70 पैसे का एक मूव हो चुका है, close to a 1% move, right? So if you were just selling straddle blindly, you wouldn't have made money. So if you are selling options, just keep that in mind. Maybe a strangle can be a better idea, or an iron fly. just doing a straddle, क्योंकि ये drift को आपको account करना पड़ेगा. So when there is a drift in the market, you got to have a more of a range, so a strangle or a iron fly, which is the hedge strategy, are advisable. Cross currency में काफी action है. We are seeing a lot of activity in GBP INR, Euro INR, especially in GBP INR. And GBP INR options में भी we are seeing some volume come up and open interest to increase. So that is good news. But in case you are trading GBP INR options, keep two things in mind. In fact, one thing in mind, that ensure your position size is small. मतलब 25 lot के ऊपर नहीं, because in case you get stuck with the exit, the impact is not significant, because again, these are very, very early days. So if you are trading options, you have to be very, very careful कि suddenly liquidity गायब हो सकता है. So keep that in mind. Otherwise, GBP INR, Euro INR futures are extremely liquid. But when you are trading these, stop loss is critical and smaller position sizes are advisable. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.